Look at him. Look at him. This cat. Hey, get out of my car. What are you doing? Ah! What are you doing? Oh, no. Well. Some of the products that you'll be seeing in this video come from Type S, which are sponsored products. You can get 15% off if you spend $50 or more with my promo code. All right, today we're starting a new series called Pimp My Prius. So right now we're gonna wash it, but we got a lot of stuff we have to do to it. One thing being washing it. Second thing, we're going to, what was the word? No, not wax it. In the interior. We're gonna detail it. Brain not working today. And then we're gonna add some new things to it and install some stuff. And we're gonna take you along on this journey because a girl isn't a car girl, but we're learning. So we're gonna learn a lot today. All right, before we get started, we're gonna do before and after. Don't judge me. This is the mom-mobile. Ignore my bag, but as you can see, it is a very loved car that needs some more loving. You can see my reflection because normally we have 2 car seats in here, but right now we only have 1. And got some food because the kids like to eat. You can see Mercy had a little fun with some stickers, so I'm gonna get that off, but the joy of having kids. Ooh, it's all neon, so I just
do that and then do all the tires.
So to give you guys a little backstory, I grew up, I wasn't really much into cars. I didn't really know much about cars until I started dating Dimitri. So basically, recently we shot this event called Night Lights for Formula Drift, and it was hosted by Type S and Larry Chen. Some of you may know who they are. But anyway, seeing all the cars, seeing how everyone decked out their cars and how cool they looked really inspired me to start taking care of my car and start making it personalized to something that is me, especially since we spend a lot of time in the car and I have never really put in a lot of work into my car. So we're going to start changing that from now on, and we're going to show you guys the full process of that from here on out. So starting with making sure we get it clean so it's easier to maintain, and then adding things as we go along.
Smells like strawberries. So we just washed the car. It's nice and pretty. You can see it's so clean, but we're not done. Got to detail the interior, and then we're gonna add all the fun stuff at the end. But it's nice and clean, and we're gonna do some fine detailing on the outside too with some wax. We gotta wax her up and make her all shiny. So yeah, let's go. Alrighty guys, right now, y'all passenger princess and your driver over here are heading to AutoZone to pick up some windshield wipers. Hey girl, hey, cause mine are looking pretty ragged. Let's go.
Look at them apples. Woo! Oh, chrome pedal. I want chrome pedals.
Wait, they have the universals.
Oh, look, they have iridescent valve caps, like a little Hello Kitty Hawaiian doll. Oh my gosh. The amount of things. Oh, what's this? Oh, they have like a kit to install. Matte black carbon. Oh, we gotta do pink. Oh my god. We're getting rickrolled right now. Oh, look at. Who's that? See them apples? That's what's going in the car. It's hot.
There we go. Now, go ahead. Yep, that's good. So go ahead and put it right here. And then this button right here. One click is start slow.
Okay.
So just work from here. Just through the whole fender apron.
How are you supposed to stop it? Did you just let it go? Should I just let it spin like that?
Yeah. Just work your way down here. Through the whole apron. The whole fender.
Oh yeah. Plastic. Yeah.
Buff, buff, buff. Buff, buff, buff. Okay, so here, down the plastic.
All plastic. It's all cheap Toyota plastic. Freshly imported. Oh, there's a crack.
Yep.
How did... Oh, we gotta... Ooh. That thing needs to be fixed.
Yeah, I gotta zip tie it.
Yes, queen. Oh my god, it's like... It's a sad pun. Okay.
There you go. Get down on the fender.
Remember I told you my car is a momobile and has not been loved much because being a mom. Let me show you what kids do, and I've already vacuumed up. Hi! Look at the food. And mind you, I've already vacuumed some of it. But the stains gotta go. All right. Done some nice little detailing. Did the best we could. Now I've got to clean the seats. It's looking fancy. Whoa, it's super bright. Sweating, working. Now we're going to shampoo the seats. Bam! Smells nice. Now I gotta let it dry. No more flappy windshield wipers. So we're gonna be putting the fun stuff in. Got some light up seat covers, LED kits, a new monitor. You can open the door. Hold on, I'm gonna swap you. Oh, shoot. That's the, yeah, that needed changing. Whoopsie. We've got a whole new mirror I bought in Hawaii. And some mats that glow. Let's go. Bam. Got that. Camera. I gotta get the floor mats in. So we're Getting the seat covers on. And then we're gonna put the lights in. That was not a great one. I gotta figure out how to daisy chain all these bad boys. Here's the, oh my god, there's a cat. Move out! These are the seats, they wrap around. Don't mind that, that's our little camera for Tiny Traveler. Connects to that. Why is it so, oh my god, it's so blown out. But yes, I put floor mats over my weather floor mats because, let me tell you, when you need to landscape your yard, you need to capture all of that. But we've got that. Right now, we've had to use a splitter because I don't think I have another 12 volt. Oh my gosh. Momo! Look at him. Look at him. This cat. Hey, get out of my car. Get out. What are you doing? This motherfucking cat. I just washed my car and it's sprinkling and now he's getting his little paw prints on there. Boy, what are you doing? Ah! What are you doing? Oh no. Well. It's the vibe up in here. Got my cow pajama shorts. Got my lights. Got my camera. Got my action. And we're not even done. You guys know I am not about being sponsored and promoting things like ads and whatever, but I am so thankful that I have the opportunity to be able to customize my car to fit my personality, to fit my vibe, just like I have my streaming space, but now it's in my car. Before I even got any sort of promo code for Type S, I was already talking about this stuff. And so now to be able to show you guys what I have and share this code with you is amazing. All right. Hello, kitty. This, honestly, with how big this thing is, we got this at Don Quixote in Hawaii when we went back in almost a year ago. I never put it in, but it's actually really good. And it was so cheap. We also got this little cat pillow. Yes, I have it on the passenger side because as much as this is my car, this is actually my car, I am a passenger princess. But to be fair, so it's on the passenger princess side. But to be fair, this is why. Your girl crochets in the car. Anyway, so these are some of the upgrades that we've done so far. There's plenty more that we're gonna do. But this is the start of it. We actually still need to hardwire everything. So, like I mentioned, we have the splitter right here, but because of this, my dash cam, little 4K 60 FPS dash cam right there, is hardwired, and we don't have enough plugs for everything, so we're gonna have to hardwire more, figure it out, whatever, and get that, which is nice that we can hardwire a lot. Also, I made this a while ago. I have one for my car and for Demetrius' car, if you can see it. Can't really see it, but you get the point. Might make another one or something else, add more crochet flair to my car, because why the fuck not? But
Yes, let's go, Pimp my Prius.
we're gonna add more.